Welcome to Natural Nostrums. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of chia seeds and exploring the numerous benefits of incorporating them into your daily diet. You might have heard about these tiny powerhouses, but do you really know what they can do for your health? In this video, we'll cover everything from their nutritional profile to how they can boost your energy levels, improve digestion, and even support weight management. Chia seeds are not just a trendy superfood. They're packed with essential nutrients that can enhance your overall well-being. We'll discuss how these little seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a fantastic addition to your meals. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious about what chia seeds can offer, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be inspired to add these tiny seeds to your daily routine and unlock their amazing health benefits. Let's get started on this journey to better health with chia seeds. Chia seeds are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. These tiny seeds are packed with an impressive array of nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. One of the standout features of chia seeds is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. Just a couple of tablespoons can provide you with a substantial dose of these healthy fats, helping to reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. In addition to omega-3s, chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This fiber not only aids in digestion, but also helps you feel fuller for longer, making it a great ally for weight management. Plus, chia seeds contain a decent amount of protein, which is vital for muscle repair and overall bodily functions. Incorporating nutrient-dense foods like chia seeds into your diet is crucial for maintaining optimal health. By choosing foods rich in essential nutrients, you can support your body's needs and promote overall well-being. So, let's explore how to easily add these nutritional powerhouses to your meals. Chia seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet if you're looking to enhance your digestive health. One of the key factors contributing to this benefit is their impressive fiber content. Just a couple of tablespoons of chia seeds can provide you with a significant amount of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in promoting regular bowel movements. This fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, creating a gel-like substance that helps to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract. Incorporating chia seeds into your meals can also help prevent constipation. The soluble fiber in these seeds acts as a natural laxative, making it easier for waste to pass through your intestines. This can lead to more comfortable and consistent bathroom visits, which is essential for overall digestive health. Moreover, chia seeds may contribute to a balanced gut microbiome. The fiber they provide serves as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy microbiome is vital for digestion, immune function, and even mental health. So, adding chia seeds to your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your digestive system. Chia seeds are a powerful ally when it comes to weight management, and their unique properties make them particularly effective. One of the key reasons for this is their high fiber content, which can absorb water and expand in your stomach. This expansion creates a feeling of fullness, thereby helping to curb hunger and reduce the likelihood of overeating. When you regularly incorporate chia seeds into your meals, you may find that you feel satisfied with smaller portions, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Additionally, chia seeds can help control appetite and reduce cravings. The combination of fiber and protein in these tiny seeds slows down digestion, leading to a more gradual release of energy. This steady energy supply can help prevent those pesky mid-afternoon cravings that often lead to unhealthy snacking. Incorporating chia seeds into a balanced diet is essential for effective weight loss. They can easily be added to smoothies, yogurt, or salads, providing not just nutritional benefits but also enhancing the overall texture and flavor of your meals. By making chia seeds a regular part of your diet, you can support your weight management journey in a delicious and nutritious way. Chia seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet if you're looking to support your heart health. One of the standout features of these tiny seeds is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Omega-3s play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving overall heart function. In addition to their omega-3 content, chia seeds can also help lower cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that the soluble fiber in chia seeds can bind to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption and promoting its excretion. This can lead to improved cholesterol profiles, reducing the risk of heart disease. Including heart-healthy foods like chia seeds in your diet is vital for preventing cardiovascular issues. A diet rich in omega-3s, fiber, and antioxidants can significantly lower your risk of heart disease and promote overall well-being. So, consider adding chia seeds to your daily routine for a delicious way to support your heart health. Chia seeds can be a valuable addition to your diet, especially when it comes to stabilizing blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This gradual release of glucose helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. For individuals with diabetes, incorporating chia seeds into meals can offer significant advantages. They can also promote feelings of fullness, which may reduce the temptation to snack on sugary foods that can lead to blood sugar fluctuations. Maintaining balanced blood sugar is crucial for overall health. Consistent blood sugar levels can help prevent complications associated with diabetes, such as nerve damage and cardiovascular issues. By adding chia seeds to your diet, you can support your body in achieving better blood sugar control, ultimately contributing to your long-term health and well-being. Chia seeds are an excellent source of sustained energy, making them a fantastic addition to the diets of athletes and active individuals. One of the reasons for this is their unique nutrient composition, which includes a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. The carbohydrates in chia seeds are primarily in the form of fiber, which slows down digestion and provides a steady release of energy over time. This slow-release energy can help you power through workouts without experiencing sudden crashes. For athletes, chia seeds can be particularly beneficial. They not only provide energy, but also help with hydration due to their ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance. This can be especially useful during long training sessions or competitions, as it helps maintain hydration levels and supports endurance. Incorporating energy-dense foods like chia seeds into your diet is crucial for optimizing physical performance. These nutrient-rich seeds can enhance stamina and recovery, allowing you to train harder and longer. So, whether you're hitting the gym or preparing for a marathon, consider adding chia seeds to your meals for that extra boost in energy and endurance. In summary, chia seeds are a remarkable superfood that offers a wide range of health benefits. From their impressive nutritional profile, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, to their ability to enhance digestive health and support weight management, these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. We've explored how chia seeds can promote heart health, stabilize blood sugar levels, and boost energy and endurance, making them an excellent addition to any diet. If you're looking to improve your overall well-being, consider incorporating chia seeds into your daily meals. Whether you add them to smoothies, yogurt, or salads, they can easily fit into your routine and provide you with essential nutrients. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about the amazing advantages of chia seeds. Together, let's embark on a journey toward better health and wellness.